Hi, ari kami sa Mamaylan.
Recuerdos.
Kanamit yung ilang pagkaon. Katahong sa ambiance, katahong git.
Ang dinuguan, my goodness.
An interesting cafe catches your eyes as you travel to Himamaylan City. Just located along the National Highway in Barangay Karajuan.
With the owner of Recuerdos restaurant here in Himamaylan City, BFF.
Okay.
Tinurot ko bilang dinuguan.
Kanamit yung gabi. Of course, her name is?
Wilma Sancho.
And this is Dodol.
Dadol.
Dodol, her brother, Dodol. Siya ang chef. Siya ang chef.
Tilawan yung ilang dinuguan. Ang ilang imbutido.
Mag-aaral sa
Ribs ka din.
Oo, kanamit. Actually, tanan nga pagkaon nila namit ang ambiance katahong ang lugar.
Yes.
Here in Mamaylan, kung magutom ka mo along the way, are sa Recuerdos, kan tilawin ninyo, kaya hindi ka mo mag-inusok.
Token and I tried their specialties, the dinuguan and their ribs. Must try is their mini brazos, chocolate cake, and their Cuban coffee.
Okay, friends, you know what we're having now? Cuban coffee. Again from Recuerdos. Oh, cheers ka, coffee niya.
You don't have to go to Cuba to taste this one.
Yes, correct, man.
Nila ni sa Himamaylan ha. Ang una kalabay-labay ko din.
Oh my goodness.
Curious ko ano na
It's so good, yes. Deliciously good, really. Ini naman yung dessert nila, brazos in cup. Boko namit tayo, halatawan nyo ha, mga pinag-aap. Kayunik na namit. Wow, this one naman niya, BFF, chocolate cupcake. Ori ha, kabalo ka mo, magsiling kami namit ginaya.
Namit?
Be.
Hindi siya tamaan sa kamit.
Oh my gosh! Must try this one.
See?
Namit gid. Balik-balik ka nyo gid. This one is gyoza. I can say the best gyoza that I have ever tasted in my life. Promise. Nalibot ko ng tanan ng mga kalanang, the best gyoza. Recuerdos here in Himamaylan. O dali lang halatawan niyo, Black.